Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the sugar. So these are really fun to throw into a dance just for some extra, showiness, I guess you could call it. They're very, very showy step. These can travel in place, so you can either keep them in place, they can travel forward, backward, side to side, they can really go anywhere and do whatever you want them to do. So they're super fun to do, super fun to throw into a dance. So sugars. So you want to think about having a twisting motion, a pivoting motion. So when you step down on your right, you're going to step so that your foot isn't straight forward, but instead stepping with the heel facing into the other foot. So you're going to step here with this foot. Once you pick up your left foot to step onto the left side sideways, you're going to swivel your right foot out so that the heel is also kind of going the same direction as the left side. So think about swiveling your foot and making sure you're on your toes when you do this so that you can get that swivel motion. If you do a stomp, you're not going to be able to turn it as easily as if you're on your toe. So make sure you're on your toe, on the ball of your foot. So you're going to step in, heel faces in, you're going to swivel around on that foot, and then on your left faces in. So now they're going the same direction. Now you're going to pick up your right foot, swivel with your left, step with your right, and swivel. And swivel. Good, pivot. There you go. And when you get faster, you're going to just move with it, yeah? So here they are staying in place. So it's really just, it's all in that swivel. It's all in the swivel of the foot. Otherwise, it's just stepping. So you're just taking a step and turning it. So make sure that you're rotating the hips properly and going out with that knee and turning your foot to the side. So like I said, they can move forward and back. So let's try to move them a little bit forward. So that was in place. So when you move them forward, you're going to step forward and just walk your way forward. If you want to move back, you're going to walk your way back. And you can go forward again and back. So these are really fun to do, especially when you get those jazz hands going off to the sides. And you can just shake your hands and go with it. Yeah. Super fun to do. I love doing sugars, and they're really fun to throw into a dance. So I also said you can go sideways. Sideways is a little bit harder than forward and back, but pretty much you're just going to step to the right if you want to move to the right. Step to the left if you want to move to the left. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Super fun step to do and to throw into a dance at any random point. And like I said, they're very showy. So if you want to add a little bit of showiness into your dance or a little bit of pizzazz, they're a great way to do that. And they're just fun. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step that you would like me to break down, make sure to put that in the comment section down below. And check out my other playlists in my description box below. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.